Have you noticed a growth or discoloration on your foot or ankle? Has this growth changed shape or color recently? In either case, you should come in for an evaluation to let us determine if these conditions warrant treatment. I see these conditions every day in my practice, and we are equipped to diagnose and treat these conditions quickly and effectively. Don't put yourself at risk by ignoring these signs. Most skin conditions are not life-threatening. Schedule a consultation so that we can safeguard you against the complications or cancer that could develop.